Ethan, what happened?
Ethan, you can leave the company right now.
Do you mean I lost my job?
A few weeks earlier, the morning started very warm. Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Emma. Breakfast smells so good.
Dad, are you going to work early today?
Yes, Tom. I have a lot of work to do today.
Dad, look! I drew our family.
Oh, it is beautiful, Lily. Is this Dad?
Yes. This is Dad, this is Mom, this is Tom, and this is me.
This picture makes Mom very happy.
Lily drew Dad a little too big.
Because Dad is strong.
I like that. Thank you, Lily.
Ethan, eat quickly. You don't want to be late for work.
Yes. I have to go now. Bye, kids. I love you all.
Dad leaves the house with a smile. It would be a very hard day.
Excuse me. Please let me pass.
Ethan, what happened?
I am very sorry. It was an accident. This is a big problem. The project is on this computer. Can I fix it? I am really sorry. Ethan, you can leave the company right now.
Do you mean I lost my job?
Ethan, are you okay? You look very sad.
Emma, I lost my job today.
What? You lost your job?
Dad, is that bad?
Yes, Tom. But I will try to find a new job.
Dad, don't be sad. I love you.
Thank you, Lily. I love you too.
Dad called many places to look for a job, but there was no answer. Ethan, we have very little money left.
I know. I am trying.
But the bills keep coming. Food, school, and rent all need money.
I am trying to find a new job.
It has been 2 months. We cannot just wait.
I know. But I don't know what to do anymore.
The next morning, Mom pulls a small suitcase to the door.
Mom, where are you going?
No, Mom. Please don't go. I love you very much. I will come back soon.
Emma, the children and I need you.
Lily, please eat a little soup.
I am not hungry. I miss Mom.
I know, Lily. I miss Mom too.
We need Mom. We don't only need money. Dad, we must not give up.
You are right. I must not give up.
The next day, Dad takes Tom and Lily to the park to get some fresh air.
Dad, Look, there is a poster on the board.
Let me see.
It says Happy Camp needs handmade birdhouses.
What is a birdhouse, Dad?
It is a small house for birds.
Can we make birdhouses?
I'm not sure. I haven't made one for a long time.
We can try. I can paint.
I can measure the wood.
Okay, we will try.
Happy Camp still needs birdhouses. I hope someone can help us. Do you work at Happy Camp? Yes. I am the director there. Here is the wood. Here is the hammer. Here is the paint.
I want to paint it yellow.
Tom, please mark this place.
Dad, is this right?
Yes, Tom, that's perfect.
Can I paint now?
Not yet, Lily. First, we must build the house. Now it looks like a birdhouse.
Can I paint now?
Yes, Lily. Now you can paint.
I want to make this one for Mom. Mom will like it.
I think Mom will like it very much.
Dad, paint is on my face. Lily, you look like a yellow cat.
Meow, meow.
You two made Dad laugh.
I want to write on the yellow birdhouse.
What do you want to write?
I want to write, "We are a family."
Meanwhile, in another city, Mom is at Grandma's house. Mom called many places applying for jobs but was rejected. She was sad and cried softly. Emma, are you okay?
I did not get a job. And I miss my family.
Money is important, but family is important too.
I thought if I made money, everything would be better.
When life is hard, family must stay together.
Maybe I should go home. Mom, Lily misses you very much. I miss you too.
You think our family needs money, but the children need you. Then go home.
Yes, I will go home.
A few days later, Dad, Tom, and Lily bring the birdhouses to the park.
Dad, do you think anyone will buy one?
I hope so, Tom. But no one stops. No one buys.
Dad, I miss Mom. Dad, will Mom come home?
I don't know, Tom. But I hope so.
Dad, is that Mom? Mom! It is Mom! Dad, Mom is home!
I am home. Lily, I missed you so much.
Emma, you came back.
Ethan, I wanted to help our family, but I chose the wrong way.
I am sorry, too. I was too sad and almost gave up.
Now we are together.
Hello? I remember your family. Did you make these birdhouses? Yes, our family made them. They are very beautiful. This yellow one is special. Can your family make 10 birdhouses this week? 10 birdhouses?
Ethan, we can do it if we work together.
Okay, we are a family. We can do it. Great, I will come back at the end of the week. Here is my card. Hello, family. Did you finish?
Yes.
Here are 10 birdhouses. They are wonderful. Very good work.
Look! A bird is coming! It likes the new house.
Just like us. Everyone needs a home.
And everyone needs a family.
The meal is not very fancy, but there is enough food, smiles, and love.
Money can help a family, but love and being together make a family strong.
Now, let's review the story.
Question 1. Why did Dad lose his job?
A. Because Dad broke things at work. B. Because Dad went to the zoo.
Question 2. What did the family make to sell?
A. Birdhouses. B. Cars. Please answer the questions and leave a comment. Goodbye!